Us G-Body guys been getting blessed. Let's keep it going. 1987 Monte Carlo SS Aerocoupe with T-tops. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. She can use paint, but she's in nice driver quality condition. And this is the G-Body to have. Monte Carlo SS, Aerocoupe, T-tops. Y'all should know by now I love G-Bodies. And I wish to have a collection one day. And this definitely one that's gonna be in it. She on the stock end 90s. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. As y'all can see, the lower doors have minor surface, but it's all solid metal. Deck lid is in good condition. Trunk nice and clean. Interior is in nice condition. She got bucket seats, console. Mileage reads a little under 80,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat in good condition also. Package tray has some discoloration, typical in the Aerocoupes with the big back window. Headliner. She has the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, AC, power steering, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. She's running nice and smooth. Y'all go over and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. Financing available. All the contact information is going to be in the description below. Y'all have a good one.